Hey everyone, want to make a stunning magazine cover using AI? In just a few clicks, Playground AI can help you turn your idea into eye-catching art. Let's get started. First, go and search for playgroundai.com and log in or sign up. Then here, click Create or Start a new design to begin your new artwork. Then here in the prompt box, type something like a magazine cover art of a woman holding skincare product at sunset with minimalist background and editorial style. You need to be specific, provide clear and detailed prompt or description of your design. And here you can type your style preset. Then here tap the generate or the arrow button, then let the AI work its magic and wait for a few seconds and boom, your art is ready. And that's it. You can now download or share your artwork. And that's how easy it is to create a pro-looking magazine covers using Playground AI. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.